What's up, everybody? Welcome to the show. We got this thing going. Man, she didn't even know we were about to start. She was busy trying to say something else, but hey, who figured, right? How you doing, man?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm fantastic. Hey, anyways, welcome guys to the S&M. We out here kicking it, chilling.
Yep.
So today we are gonna go. I don't know if it's gonna be a series. It might be a series, depending on how much we end up taking this, how long we take this to. And we are gonna just kind of like share with you guys some things about, I guess, getting ready to get married. I guess that's we don't know yet what we're gonna call this whole thing, but something like that. Just bear with us, I guess.
Yeah.
So basically what it's gonna be like, give you guys, I guess, some insight on like how to get yourself prepared to get married, and some things that you may wish, and I guess we'll tell you guys some things that we wish we would have known before we get married. Right? Are you still with me, babe?
Yeah, I'm here. I'm here.
All right.
Ever since we were kids, we have grown to know that.
My biggest goal, getting married.
And everything we do from now on, it is to groom ourselves to get ready for this one thing, and that is marriage. And if you're like me, the only advice I ever got growing up, and that was just to not have sex before marriage. But for some of us, we needed more than that.
I'm married now, but the important thing is working through this marriage. It's not just as a trophy that I got already, but I gotta do something to make sure my marriage, I'm progressing.
And that is exactly what we're here to help you with, is progress your way to your marriage. Welcome to the S&M. Let's get it.
Alright. So anyways, I'm gonna start with you.
No, I'm gonna start with you.
Start with me?
Yeah.
Okay, well, what do you got? What do you got?
So, we can go back and can you just define us?
Can I what?
Marriage.
Yes.
What's marriage? What is marriage?
What is marriage? Whew. Okay,
What is marriage, baby? Yes.
Marriage, I would say marriage is a covenant between two people.
Mm-hmm.
And actually it's between three people. No, I don't say three people, but there's a third. It's like, the best way I can explain is like a triangle, I guess you could say. So marriage is like a triangle.
Mm-hmm.
You have one man, one woman, plus God. So like how people say themselves like, she's my better half, right? It's like, okay, it's like, all right, well, she's my better half, and it's like, okay, so she's half of me. But the way to look at it is like not really look at it that way. It's like saying 1 + 1 equals 1, right? So basically what I'm trying to say is like there is one man, one woman, and there's God.
Yeah.
So if you put that into, the way I look at it is, the way I kind of understood is, if you put that into a triangle, so there's a man and a woman at the bottom of a triangle, and at the top of it there's God. So in the best way to like explain a marriage is like, the more the two people connect to God, the closer and closer they climb up the pyramid. So meaning that the closer the two of you connect to God, the closer you get to each other. And that, what to me, I would say marriage is, it's 1 + 1 + 1 equals.
Oh, that's
1.
marriage.
Right? So that's me, that is marriage. That's how I'll explain marriage. It's a covenant between two people and God.
Okay.
What is marriage to you? How do you explain marriage?
Marriage is 1 + 1 = 1. So, okay, the way we look at it as women, as a human, as you can say, it's just 1 + 1 = 1. Because, okay, in church, they simply say that since you marry, since I marry you, babe, I'm your half better, right?
You're my better half. Yes.
But they never said about, okay, a lot of people don't add God in it.
Okay.
You just stop by 1 + 1 = 1. But a perfect marriage requires God in it.
Yeah, that's right.
Yes, that's what I can add. It requires God in it.
So
So you can't make it, you can't have really goals without God.
that's true.
Yeah, that is marriage for
That is
me.
true. And that's I guess that being said too, it's like technically you can look at it. I know this math right now is about to challenge everybody's brain, but if you look at it, you can almost say it's 1 + 1 + 1 = 1.
Yay!
That's just like in the simplest term you can put it is that way, right? 1 + 1 + 1 = 1. But you know, it challenges people's brain. But
That's marriage for us.
that is marriage, right?
Yeah.
So let's see now. How did you prepare yourself? Like, how did you know you were ready to get married? I guess that's the question I'm asking. How did you know you were ready to get married?
Okay. First of all, I hear people saying like, okay, when times come, when it's ready, when. For me, I knew that, okay, I told you, I remember the other, one day you asked me, baby, are you ready for this? And I said, yes. You asked me why. I was like, it's what I feel. Yes, I'm ready.
Yeah.
I'm ready for this. I'm ready for this. Of course, I had feelings. I had thoughts in me. I had imagination. But hey, okay, I was ready. And whatever was going, what I wasn't expecting and what I'm expecting, I'm learning and still ready for this. Day by day.
Yeah.
I'm ready.
It's
I'm ready.
always-
Make it. Just as we said, 1 + 1 + 1 = 1. So yeah.
Okay, so that, and then, but how? Okay, so this is another question that I want to ask. So,
Many questions.
I
Okay.
mean, I got plenty.
All right.
So, but then the thing is, as most people may not know, is we got married before we even saw each other in person. Right? So,
okay.
so now here's the thing. Now, how were you sure of that? Like what drove you to be like, yeah, this is the person that I would like to spend the rest of my life with?
You know, this is really somehow hard to explain. But
Okay.
all I know, I had no doubt about you.
Okay.
Let's be honest. We've been somewhere in our past,
Of course.
been in relationships,
That's right.
and we thought that that's where we should end,
Yeah.
like getting married. But hey, I don't know how it came. I was like, okay, fine, I'm ready.
Yeah.
I was ready for you, babe. I didn't have any doubt.
Yeah.
And even if, of course, we did meet, but okay, you know, the first time we met,
Oh yeah.
we are already in the process.
Yes.
Already in the process.
Yes, we know.
But what I was telling even
process.
people, they were
Yeah.
like, okay, but are you sure about this? You guys never met. I was like, yes. Since my heart was convincing me,
Yeah.
I was still convinced.
Yeah.
I was like, you know what? Thank you for this, thank you for your advice. But I know he's the one. He's the one.
Yeah.
The perfect for me. I have no doubt. Yeah, so I don't know if it was the Holy Spirit. I don't know. I just knew that Ginny.
But
That's-
Hey guys,
Hey.
thank you guys for watching the S&M. Please like and subscribe our videos, and please share them to everybody that you know may find value in this video.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.